Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today I am playing this game. It is called Strawberry Tower. Okay, not Tower, it's tower. Like you can see it's a big tower, and look, I changed my avatar, and now my name is not Next. My name is Leo did that. Right? Leo did that. Okay, let's go back to Strawberry Tower. Here it comes. And woo! Okay. So, okay. Now I'm playing this game. So, I don't know. Oh. I want to have free UGC shop. Okay, UGC shop. Let's open this thing. Okay, I don't want anything. Just quit, okay? Now, hit like this. Look at my new Weirdo. It looks so good. Okay. I don't want to do it in first person because I just changed my avatar. Okay. You see now the Roblox joystick is so changed. I don't know why. What the thing just happened? What this thing? James dance. Oh, I'll just dance. Nothing. Oh my gosh. Core blocks headless. Okay. Here we go. Okay, I'll go with the hair. Hello. Why you are looking like a bacon head? Oh. I'm supposed to jump there or something. Oh my gosh. Oh. Down the Oh my gosh, why is it so hard? Okay. Yeah. I'm so disturbing by these notifications again and again, so I'll do not disturb. So that's why. Now my dad pie chance or my pie don't send me notifications. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Now what? I am so confused with the joystick. I don't know why. Okay, like this. Okay. Why is it jumping automatically? Okay. Now, look. It's jumping automatically. Okay, just I'll do it as first person. Okay. Oh. I'm so bad at that. This tower is so hard. Yay, I did it. Okay. Let's move up. Okay. Okay. Hey, he, ha. Okay. Oh. I heard something. Oh. It's just my voice. Hee. It's having strawberry, so this one. Okay, and it's also having strawberry, so this one. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh no! I almost fall down in the more down way. Okay. I'll do it just Oh. Oh, like I need to go over here because it's strawberry, and over here because it's strawberry. And here we go. Again, no! That's so hard for me. This tower is so hard. Okay. I'll just complete it. Okay, I'll just complete that. Okay? And before nothing. Okay, before nothing. Okay, I'm not gonna complete this tower, I guess, because I'm so confused with this joystick. Look, I was like almost fall down. Okay, so over here, and here. Oh, I don't know what's that. Okay, I think the door is broken. My door is broken. So well, look, I'm so confused with this new joystick. Oh, I was like doing it like a pro in this tower, right? Okay, now I'll go up. Finally, I didn't shout in this video. I don't know why. Oh, I almost... Look at this joystick. What if I fall down from here? Oh, look, I did it so much. Okay. Now, look, I was like confused. I was like confusing from the joystick. This joystick is so bad. Look at the design of it. I want the old joystick back, right? Right, Mom? Oh no! What did the fuck? What did I like? Fun? What did the fun happen? Okay, that was really fun. Okay. If people are dirty-minded, then they'll... When I was saying like, what did the fun? I was not saying fun, not that one. Okay, dirty-minded will hear that, right? Okay. Oh. Here we go. Okay. I can't go back like that up, right? Right here. No, like, look at just the joystick. I'm so confused with that. I'm so confused with this joystick. And, okay, 50% off on... Oh, okay. Okay, let's check if I can go... Okay, help. Rotate cameras, move. Use tool, click. Okay, move. Like this, I know how to move, but I'm just confused with the joystick, with the new joystick. Okay, I think it will never end, so thanks for watching. Oh my gosh, that was really hard, and I was really confused with the joystick. Look, I even now don't know how to move because of this weirdo joystick, right? Okay, guys, so thanks for watching. Thank you.